Yo, what's up? Check it out, it's Farm Truck Friday. Bang, bang. Little Finley done been cooking on the grill. This a welfare bang. Bang, bang. Cash flow is kind of low.
This is not welfare, this is...
You finna watch Big Finley, I'm on a hustle and flow. I got barology, take you to school, fool. Kobe, what's up? Bang, bang, this is for you, bang, bang, Kobe.
Gate boy?
Gate boy. He's a gateway to the workforce.
No, I did not do that. Did I really?
Y'all check it out. Look at that. We going caveman style. Ooh, look at all that chicken right there.
I got a lot more to cook too.
We got this grate right here, by God.
Yeah, be careful. It's gonna poke your seats and tear them up.
Larry Payette, what's up? Bang, bang. Kenny Sunfish for fish. Bang, bang. He dried it out a little bit, but it's good though. Got a little bang, bang barbecue sauce.
No, you ain't eating this now. Don't go on my food.
Well, you better make it juicy next time.
You probably want to eat it
That should
dry.
make the truck smell good. Go on, let me get a piece of that. Let me some of that skin. Who wants some of that skin? Bam! There you go. Oh, Lord!
Good.
Better than Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Look, you can't tell me that it's not good. That's coming apart like chicken.
Who want a piece of this chicken right here?
Alright,
Look at that skin on it.
You're eating chicken, I got a chicken hat on.
Bam! It's still good. Make you want to sing. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. What's up, Judy Payette? Bang, bang. Welcome to the mukbang. Big Philly finna do his thing. Look at Tiny over here. Cutting it up Cajun style.
Cajun style.
This skin good.
Just because it got some that Cajun two-step don't mean it's Cajun style.
Stale cracker. Come sign me, bro. We using your product.
Yeah, like you're gonna sign me out of thousands of people like me.
Yeah, you cook, I eat. Bang, bang. Put me on your show, Stale Cracker. We'll get more views than you already do. You know I'm cloud chasing. I won't be around no Stale Cracker. He crazy. He a cracker. I don't know if he's stale though. Slap me with no limp skin, bro. Smack you right back in the next week. I don't even know who we shouting out.
I just slapped you.
Like on my cholesterol.
Wow. What do you mean it goes your cholesterol?
Oh, this some juicy piece right here. Who wants some juicy pieces? This is breast.
Look.
Juicy breast pieces. Bam! There you go.
Look, it falls apart. It falls apart like brisket.
Damn, that tastes like crawfish.
I told you. It's a trio, fool.
Sean Paul, what's up?
It's between Daniel seasonings and Stale got two Cajun two-step. I'm telling you, it tastes like crawfish.
Dan Kennedy. You know I'll be seeing you. Timber Hill Redbone.
Hey, you know what's funny? You know
Mike Humphrey.
What if these handle? Oh my god. Oh. Dude. I just got a hint of crawfish. Don't even shut up. These are supposed to be U-bolts.
They make you some good handles.
Wow, that's a Cajun two-step.
That's pretty good. No Dr. Pepper, too poor. I got water. I got to get the sideways action on it right here.
There's better than words can taste.
Man, I usually have somebody to shout out. Appreciate everybody been watching. We ain't going
Beer
hunting.
tunes, there you go.
Oh, Cody took my oldest son. He took little Joe last night by himself. Said he worked a bad track for about 2 hours. Got treated and had to meet, but you know, my boy done the video. That good.
I think it's turned out this good. I ain't lying, dude. Like, it's giving me chills.
This for sure a lot better than what we've been buying. Almost make me forget about Chinese food.
Oh, it was better before I put it back on there for another 10 minutes.
It's right here, juicy. Ooh, y'all smell it. Bam! There you go, got you a bite.
This is raw. This piece was still raw. I'm gonna put it all. Bang bang chickity wang wang.
What are you doing?
Video.
Why you got video when I'm video?
Cause I got to. What did I do? Cook me some good chicken. That's what I did. With some of that Cajun two-step.
Dogs gonna quit barking because they smell it.
Look at it, y'all. Some good stuff, ain't it?
That's sweet brown sugar. I don't like sweet brown sugar barbecue, but I like sweet brown sugar in real life. Bang, bang!
Fire truck.
Y'all see them lights back there flashing? Fire truck coming down the road. Just stop. Ain't nothing around here on fire. You catch anything on fire?
I think it's on fire.
What are they doing with this park back there?
Part of them jack-wagons right there.
Jack wagon.
The neighbors.
What about it? You always quick to talk crap.
Seems like they don't like us. I don't know why.
They don't like us. I talk to that lady over there every now and then.
Well, whoever be living there, I didn't know it. Be leaving their lights on like an hour and a half. Getting their dogs to bark to our dogs.
Another piece tastes like crawfish.
Why some up? You know how he puts it on heavy on everything?
Mm-hmm.
I think you really do got to put it on heavy. You know, a big piece of meat like this. And in some spots I was on heavy, and some spots it was light. I've been eating them heavy spots. It's been tasting like crawfish. Start getting out.
That smoky flavor. It's all on the ham. They might be putting water in that truck. I think there's one of them hydrants down there.
Oh, I put some though. That's not rubber.
You can put this in a microwave with a little bit of water and make something out of it. Not a microwave, I mean a crock pot.
I already made something.
I don't know how much I eat, but I'm already full.
You eat more than I did.
Yeah, you put a lot on there. It's deep into the weight meat. Alright, y'all. We out of here. Like Vladimir. You know who Vladimir is?
Vladimir Putin.
I wasn't thinking about him, but I know you be Putin in my truck. See y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend.
This is right here. This is it.
I'm full. I like to eat me some more than about an hour.
It's like cocaine.
Man, I'm like,
Smell it. It's like cocaine to a fat boy.
you see, I'm already blowed up.
Alright, y'all. We're going to end the stream now.